G'day, welcome to Cap Industries. My name is Russell and today I'm doing an installation video for our Cap Industries fire extinguisher mount into a Ram 1500. The product is designed to mount to the front seat bolts and then you can install any fire extinguisher onto the bracket. It comes with all the hardware necessary. It's a super easy way to install a fire extinguisher and it looks great. Check it out here. The tools required to install the bracket is just a 15mm socket and ratchet and a couple of 8mm spanners. To install the bracket, simply remove the plastic seat cover just by removing it with your fingers. It just pops off. Then use your 15mm socket and ratchet and remove the two front seat bolts. Next thing you need to do is install the fire extinguisher cage onto the bracket with the supplied hardware. The fire extinguisher I'm installing today is just a generic twin latch one. However, you can get any extinguisher. We also have them on our website if you'd prefer to use our ones. Just tighten the two nuts and bolts up with the 8mm spanners. Then reinstall the bracket and put the factory seat bolts back in. I always like to thread them in by hand first so that you're not cross-threading. Now that the bolts are all tight, then slip the extinguisher into its cage. Job done. Very secure and it looks fantastic. As you can see here, I've installed it with the plastic trim. However, it does need a trim just with a Dremel, about 20mm wide by about 10mm deep. Only a very small trim. I've just pressed it on here and it does hold, but it will pop off if you don't do that trim.